We have been partners with VCEDA for the last year and a half, and they have been instrumental in not only our survival here, but in our growth. We've been able to double our sales since partnering with VCEDA, and we have been able to add that additional fiber optic laser that we are now operating 22 hours a day, 6 days a week. In addition, we've been able to add 27 new jobs to the area.
VCEDA helps the citizens of the area by really helping to create job opportunities. Since VCEDA was created in 1988, the authority has helped create more than 20,000 jobs in the region that we serve, but also in reducing the unemployment rate, which one study found would have been as high as 15% in the area if it had not been for VCEDA. They found that VCEDA had reduced the unemployment rate by 3 times of what that it would have been otherwise. We attract companies to the area that create jobs for the citizens and families in our region. Also through the financing and incentive programs that the authority has, which again help to bring jobs into the area, but also to train the workforce and also for people to start new businesses in the area. This has been studied and verified several times by groups like Virginia Tech as well as Chimera Economics in Richmond. Of the impact that VCEDA has had in the area.
We are now moving into this facility that you can see here with us. This is a 80,000 square foot building that belonged to the Buchanan County IDA, and the VCEDA, of course, helped and financed and worked with the IDA.
I can honestly say if it wasn't for the VCEDA, what you see today and what we've created wouldn't exist. The VCEDA, when we had this ideal and vision of what we want to create in the EAD region, the VCEDA stepped up and helped us make this a reality. You know, the facility we have, the training that we were able to offer our employees, all was made possible by the VCEDA.